Today we will explore some key concepts about genetics that are fundamental to understanding how we inherit our traits. We will take about chromosome, genes, DNA, methods of laws, hematosis, and the cell cycle. Join us on this journey. Let's start with chromosomes. Chromosomes are structures within our cells that contain genetic information. Humans have a total of 46 chromosomes, organized into 23 pairs. Each of these chromosomes plays a crucial role in inheritance because they carry the genes from one direction to the next. Chromosomes are the foundation of genetic inheritance, as they carry the genes that determine the physical and biological traits we inherit from our parents. Now let's talk about genes. Genes are a specific segment of DNA that contain the instruction for making proteins. They are allocate and chromosomes and are responsible for characteristics like a color, height, or blood type. Each person inherits 2 copies of each gene, one from each parent, and this combination determines our traits. Example: if both parents have a gene for brown eyes, their child will likely inheriting it. However, if one parent has a gene for blue eyes, the final eye color will depend on the combination of these genes. Speaking of genes, we now move to DNA. DNA is a molecular shaped like a double helix that holds all the genetic information of an organism. Every cell in our body contains DNA, and it is this material that is passed down from generation to generation. DNA is made up of nitrogenous bases which are grouped in a specific sequence to form a genes. DNA is packaged into a larger structure called chromosomes. Inside cells, DNA is organized into successive levels of competition to ensure it is properly distributed with cells divide. Next, let's go to look at Mendel laws, formulated by the scientist Gregor Mendel. The law of segregation states that alleles for a given trait separate during gamete formation. The law of independent assortment explains that alleles for different genes are distributed independently among gametes. Lastly, the law of dominance states that when 2 different alleles for a trait are inherited, the dominant allele will be expressed, while the recessive allele is hidden. For example, if we cross a pea plant with yellow seeds, dominate, with one that has green seeds, recessive, the offspring will mainly show yellow seeds, but some may have green seeds if both parents pass on the recessive allele. Now let's talk about gematogenesis. This is the process by which gametes, sperm in the man and egg in woman, are formed. Gematogenesis is related to meiosis, a type of cell division that reduces the number of chromosomes by half, ensuring that when a sperm and an egg, the combined 2 offspring will have the correct number of chromosomes. In men, spermatogenesis produces sperm, while in woman, oogenesis produces egg. Both processes are essential for asexual reproduction. Let's explore the cell cycle. The cell cycle is the process by which a cell grows and divides. This process includes mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is responsible for creating genetically identical daughter cells with meiosis reduces the chromosome number by a half, creating gametes that are essential for sexual reproduction. This is key from growth and repairs of cells, while meiosis is fundamental for the inheritance of traits. And that is the conclusion of Journey Through Basic Genetic Concepts. We hope you have learned how traits are inherited from one generation to the next. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. And thank you for watching.